For this project, I chose to do an infographic on the chemistry of fireworks. The reasoning behind this is the fact that this infographic is something that I can utilize in my high school science classroom here at Moscow High School. This is an infographic that I can take and introduce my students so that way they can see and understand the different elements and chemicals that go into making the fireworks of the different colors. As you can see here, the infographic starts out, it has red firework at the top. We go through the color spectrum of Roy G. Biv. This is something I can also include to my students so that way they can get that understanding as well. As you can see here on the top, I gave an image of the fireworks so that way the student could recognize what color it was, as well as on the right hand side there is a key subject. So for red fireworks, they're made with strontium salts, and then you can see that the main four compounds directly underneath that, strontium nitrate, strontium carbonate, strontium sulfate, and strontium chloride, are the four main salts that are used in making a red firework. As you scroll through the infographic, you can see that the same thing goes for orange with calcium salts, yellow with sodium salts, green with barium salts, blue with copper salts, purple, we know that purple, we just mix red and blue together, so we combine our copper and our strontium compounds together. And then I put white on there just for the fact that white is a really interesting color and it's not very typically seen on the color spectrum. And so a white firework is just really cool because it's pure burning metal. So either magnesium, aluminum, or titanium gives you that burning hot white color. I thought this infographic was very neat. It does contain quite a bit of information as per the different chemicals. Doesn't necessarily include a lot of data per se, but this is something that is useful for my audience of high school students. That's something that they'll be able to make a correlation between something that they see in their everyday lives and the actual physical science behind it.